What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. So let's start our week with natural gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. But before I continue, I'm going to schedule a live session tomorrow around 5 to 6 p.m. UK time. So we're going to do some live analysis. And if you're looking at the other instrument other than natural gas, gold, and all the other commodities, then tomorrow we're going to look at the market together. So make sure you're free tomorrow so that we can all trade together. So starting with natural gas, what do we have? Right here, as mentioned, like I've been mentioning from last couple of weeks, that I'm still bullish for natural gas. I was not looking at bearish trades. Even though we broke below 50 EMA, we had no condition below 50 EMA, no pullback entries, and we are not going to enter our trades. So at this point, what to expect? Now we are broken above 50 EMA with a nice 2 green candles, a nice good momentum, a bullish candle right here, and at this point we can look for pullback entry bullish, even though that will be a weak entry, because I want to see a break above this high, then a pullback will be an ideal entry. But still, looking at the fact price broke below 50 EMA and then broke back above 50 EMA. So looking at that, we can look for a pullback entry bullish. If we have a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA, a nice condition, bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA according to all the rules which you learn in my full course, or if you are my priority members, you have seen the pullback entry. So we have recently took one entry today, and that was a winner as well. So look for exact same condition. The one we took today, exactly a bullish trade we took of one forex pair. So looking at that, I'm expecting a price to still pushing up and keep on pushing up till we are in the zone above. In case you missed my last video, a zone above, which is right here, a major area of value 1.895 that goes to 2.011, from where I'm expecting a pullback, a breather, which is a bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. If we have that, we are good to go short, and short term only. I'm not looking at reversals from here, but we can expect a good push down before the price will continue to push higher. And once we are broken above this high, we will have a start of a new trend, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. So keep an eye. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. So here on capital.com, we are now about to hit a level of resistance. So a level of resistance which is right here is 2.00.2 that goes to 2.153. Now we are very close to this level, so don't get confused. If we have a condition here on this platform which is bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern, a confirmed signal, if we have that on capital.com, I will still gonna go short, as this is also one of my tested platform to take my trades. So look for a condition. We are very close to the level. Once the price forms a bearish engulfers, a double top, in that case I'm going to go for a little scalp of sell trade before the price will likely push higher. So keep an eye. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. On EMEX, we are also very close to the level above, which is right here, 1.947. That goes to 2.095, a level from where we're going to look for bearish engulfers. Double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish, but I will preferably looking at bearish engulfers and double top for my entry condition. Aggressive entry from here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short for now. All we can look at a pullback entries, and now we are above 50 EMA. If we have a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern, I'm going to go long till we are here, from where we're going to look for our counter trend sell trade. So keep an eye. I'm expecting a price to push higher and hit the level above, which I've just mentioned. Next we have silver. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. I'm also looking at my Fibonacci entries, aggressive entry, which is from the top of this candle till the zone below that has been recently broken. 50% retracement if you are an aggressive trader can be a SPY limit order, and take profit can be 1.618 retracement. I've said that if you're looking for a Fibonacci entry, which is right here, stop loss is below, take profit 1.618 retracement. If you took Fibonacci entry, 50% was your buy limit order, and that entry has played out nicely. Price did push down and then it massively pushed up and heading towards your take profit right here. That has been played out nicely, and I'm still expecting a price to head towards 1.618 retracement and the zone above in red. Nice one. So exactly as predicted, that 1.618 retracement is the place from where I'm expecting a breather and a place where I'm expecting a price to hit. And if you have entered aggressively, you have made some decent amount of money if you managed it till 1.618 retracement. So at this point, if you're wondering, that is not one of my valid aggressive entries, so that is why I've not taken that, even though the price pushed down 1 ATR, which is 42 points right here. Price pushed down exactly 1 ATR, but like I said, I was still looking for a valid condition. And what are my valid conditions at this point? Looking at the fact price at level of resistance, I'm going to look for my double top pattern, which is right here. I have my rejection zones ready here. If we have a push up to this rejection zone followed by bearish engulfing pattern or inverted hammers, in that case we will have a valid double top pattern. So we have one top, push down, second top with bearish engulfers or inverted hammers. In that case, we will have valid double top, and I'll keep my stop loss above take profit 1.421 or 1.221 is totally up to you where you want to take it. But I'm looking at double tops. We have no valid condition. If we are broken and close above this wick, in that case, the price will turn bullish and will likely head higher to the next level, which I'm going to mention in my next video. So wait for that. Wait for the price to form double top. If we have that, we are good to go short. Otherwise, if there is no condition, price just falls above 50 EMA or 20 EMA, forms bullish engulfer, I'm going to go for another long, and then we can get a major double top pattern. So the other conditions now I'll be closely looking at for silver. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Nice one. So price is pushed up from a little anchor level. Let me show you what I've said in the last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. So at this point, expect another good breather, likely till this little anchor level. So expect a good breather till here, and then expect another push up from here. But I want to see a condition like bullish engulfing pattern. Awesome. So we have a nice pushed up and price pulled back right to my anchor level and then pushed back up, even though we have no entry condition. But the push up was expected. Looking at this previous low, was broken, pull back, and then another push up. So at this point, we have no condition. But as I'm looking at silver, if silver forms a condition and pull back, gold will likely pull back, follow through silver, and form a double top. Even though there is no resistance, that is why I'm not going to take a double top entry here on silver, on gold. But we can get a possible push down back to the same anchor level right here, which I've just marked, from where we can get another push up. But I'm still looking at the pullback entry bullish. If this candle closes a bullish engulfing candle, that will be a valid buy signal, and price will likely push up at least $17. That is what ATR is telling me. And again, do not take my words on it. This is just my opinion. Trade on your own risk, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. So bullish engulfer will push the price higher at least till the recent highs, and if rejection from here, price will likely push down and come back to this anchor level, from where I will look for another pullback entry bullish. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for gold. Still bullish, expecting a push up and then push down, and then another push up out of gold. What a nice push down out of gold. If you are my student in MMTA, you know this entry right here, RSI entry, and which I've mentioned in my last video. So let's see what I've said so that we can understand conditions and entries. Crude oil has just formed a bearish engulfing pattern. I'm expecting a good breather out of crude oil, but I'm still expecting a price to give us some more breather, expecting another push down, and again a spike up. From here we can also get a good breather to 50 EMA, from where we can get another push up, and all I want to see a push down followed by bullish engulfing candle. Nice one. So as you can see with this bearish engulfers, I was expecting a good breather, and this is also one of my entry conditions. My students are learning right here. 1 ATR, more than 1 ATR has been hit. 7.3 was the ATR, and price pushed down at least $2.2. That is more than 2 ATR, and that has been hit. So at this point we have no conditions, but I'm still looking at bullish trade. If we have a good fall above 50 EMA and one candle closed down to 50 EMA and the next candle closed back above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, that will be a valid bullish signal. I'm keep on taking longs. If we have no condition, in that case I want to see another break above this high, and then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs till we are in the major area of value, from where I'm expecting a very good push down, 90.71, that goes up to 93.26, from where I'm going to look for my sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.